distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
Oh, that's
He asked you, do you like the monorail better?
Yeah.
What do you like better?
The train.
Oh, Mason, look, Mason, you missed it.
awesome! Awesome!
We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere.